Alright, I think we're starting the stream. There we go. Starting some music. We're just... I hate the new layout. Can't they just keep the shuffle button? Alright. Starting the stream. So I've made some progress on the game since yesterday. I don't know, where did we leave off yesterday? I actually have forgotten where. Past live streams. Yesterday we left off. Okay, we left off with the skeleton. So basically now I have improved it. So you can see that we have a skeleton sprite. It shoots out pumpkins, and they explode like grenades. So this is like the first enemy. So I've added some quality of life like animations, but this is the gist of it. Made this during school today, during lunch. And yeah, quite a simple structure here. It's not really that much code. I think it's like maybe 100 lines, 200 lines. So I'm thinking I should expand on this whole concept here, maybe add some more enemies. I was thinking a sort of swarm enemy, but I don't know how that one would look. Thinking maybe a zombie enemy. That sort of just homes in on the target. But I honestly don't really know what sort of enemy I'm thinking or what I'm thinking of doing. I was also thinking of maybe using this stream to like build out the art style, like adding some props, like rocks and stuff, to make it not so bland. I think that'll come later. Maybe add damage first, actually. Maybe I just like a player GUI, quite simple, or maybe just a health component to start it off. I think that'll be what I'm starting out with. Oh wait, I forgot to add the window capture. No. There we go. Add just some entities does yes. Okay. You could learn, you'll bloom just like a flower. So what I'm thinking is we add a health component. And then we just implement everything. Also, I've cleaned up the code quite a bit, so now there are no unnecessary usings and overrides. So it's like a nicer code structure. But what I was thinking with the health, so basically, what does health need? Health needs a integer health. That doesn't get initialized. And here we can just do an int health. This dot health equals health. So they start with the health. And then what we want with the health component is we want some functions. So we want a public void add health, or maybe just do heal. And we just do this dot health adds the amount, avoid damage, and then just to move for the time being. So we just have this. This is what health constitutes, nothing more. And then and then we do get health. And that returns an int. And maybe just a set. So that we can have like a just a constant dot health equals mount. There you go. I think that's a pretty simple health component. Might add more stuff later, but this is sort of how you use an ECS. You just have a small components and you add them together. So we want to add basically. So we need skeletons to use a skeleton has a health component. Then we do 100 health. And then we do a dot use new health player. I really need to fix that so that I don't have to do the player thing here. That's a pretty simple fix. But I'm not gonna fix that right now. It adds some code clarity that I like. So what do we want? So we have a health component now, and we can go into the bullet controller actually. Where's the bullet? There. We can do more for each entity in get parent dot entity list. So we get the entities. If e dot get, let's see here. How do I check? How do I see if it doesn't have it? Maybe just add a class component. What did I call this? Class no component exception. And then we just do a throw new no component exception. Exception. And then we just throw no component exception. And in the entities, or wait, in the bullet, we do a Try. And then we just catch that if it doesn't. Oh. Catch. No component exception E. And then we just ignore it. How do I fix this? Yeah, there we go. We just catch that. And we want to get a health component. And then we basically just do damage, and then we just damage no 20. I think that's good. There we go. And then we just damage, and we don't have to handle that because then we just ignore it. If e dot get transform dot position, and then we do a math f dot get distance, and then we get our position. And get the entity's position. It's less than, I don't know, 20. Then we check. So basically, if it's in the distance of 20 pixels of another entity, then it damages it by 20 if it has a health component. Just easy. That lags. Why do you lag? Is it the damage part? I'm thinking it's the for loop. No, it's the damage. What is the damage of all things? It is the damage, right? Yeah. No. If we do this and then just expect a crash. Will this fix it? Yeah. There's a no component exception. We have to accept here, because otherwise we will throw it. Is it just the get that's exceptionally slow? Because I know they're slow in Unity. I don't know how they do it. It is. Or is it the catch? Does this catch a lot? Huh. I wonder how many times does it do this per frame? Is it a lot? Ten, 14, 10, 10, 10, 10, 10x. So it's the get that's exceptionally slow. right? I think it's because this goes through. It's because it goes through all of the entities, I'm assuming. Hmm. That is interesting. But for loops aren't that slow, but I guess it's exponential. Wait. So if there are, wait, what it does is, if there are 20 entities, then each one of those entities goes through each one 21 times. So it's 20 to the, it's 20 times. So if we get that it's 100, okay, I'm gonna try something. If we debug as every frame, gonna go into the engine for this one. After pulse events, it just throws an as. I'm assuming this is gonna be a lot. Oh, that doesn't throw anywhere. Yeah, that's exponential. I need a better way of doing this. Hmm. Wow. But I don't get. I'm gonna have to find a better solution for that. Now I'm thinking of starting to feature creep a little bit. I gotta start thinking about what I really want to do with the game. Hmm. I got a Twitter notification. Someone liked my tweet. Amazing. Hmm. Oh, that just. Wait, I gotta check the logs. October, it's the 12th today. Oh, they don't really log theirs. Okay. Huh. Wait, does the event handler? Yeah, that one stop, right? Good, 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 good. And stop log set. Yeah. Well. Hmm. We do have quite a problem here, don't we? Would Link be faster technically? Because Link is implemented by smart people. Let me see here. I got some femboy thighs on my monitor, that's nice. Okay. So I need Link. Huh. I do not know. I gotta think about what I want to do here, because looping over every single thing. What I could do though. Uh, if e dot type of e dot get player. If it has a player movement, try catch. No component exception. Equal if e dot get player movement. E dot get player. Wait, I can just do this. E dot get player movement. E dot get skeleton controller. And if that passes, then debug.send damage. Oh. What is slow? Oh right, I'm still running gets. And gets the slow part. Wait, why is get slow? Right, because it's a loop. So that goes through all the components of that. I mean, that goes through all the components of all the entities. This is a bad idea. This is where the bad idea starts. So I could go the other way. Right? If dot parent dot player get distance between that and get transform position is less than 20, then he gets the player again. Health component dot damage 20. Look at that! Thinking with my brain. And this one lag. No. And that just has, I need to add a simple crux here. And the program. In the program, I just add a public entity, or more of a list. And we just add skeleton to that list. There we go. And now I just check that instead. Player and get parent. Now parent dot skeletons. And then we just do that, but instead of this, we do E. And there we go. It doesn't lag! Programming smarts. And now we just check in the skeleton controller. In the skeleton controller, what I can check here in the update, if get health component dot get health is less than 20 0, get parent, or wait, I can just do destroy, right? No, it's get parent destroy, like that. Now I should be able to kill the skeleton. Yeah. I need some invincibility frames though. In the health. Private int invincibility frame. And then we do damage, then we do this dot invincibility frame equals like 20, which is a third of a second. I think that's good. Public override on update, invincibility frame minus equals 1. And it only does damage if invincible is less than 0. Let's just check out. Let's not come here, come here. I think that's still too little. Or maybe the here is too much. Let's do, actually let's do like, it has to touch. Oh wait, and that's way too little. 5 I feel like is good. Come here, come here, come here. You can kill, but I feel like this should be more in the health components of the thing. Skeleton. Entity, and then we do that in the update. like that. And maybe do this to 3. Oh, I died. Let's go. And maybe we do it so that the bullets do the damage by their speed times 2 or something. Because speed is how much damage it does, basically, and then times 2 because 3 damage, quite little. Flow twins, right. No, I died first. I should probably just remove as here. And also, now I think it's appropriate to do a health increase for the player, so the player doesn't die. I'm just gonna check so that I can kill the skeleton. All right. The bones. Skeleton, and now we just add a class skeleton bones component. And we just do a constructor and then some overrides. And basically what the skeleton, no, it doesn't really need that. It just needs that when it dies, which is here, wait, what? Skeleton controller kill, what does that do? No, that just shoots a bullet. And that's a shoot method. Um, so how would I do a hook into the health component? How would I do that? Let's do a public void. Uh, add function to variable C sharp. Uh, hmm. Just add a. Basically, what I need is a public func, and it returns a void. Turn into kill hook, like that. Null. Can I just do that? No. Do an int there. And then we do that nullable, so when it gets destroyed, we just check if kill hook not equals null, and then we just run kill hook. Like that. So now we can add a kill hook, but we just have in the skeleton control we have private public void kill int action. There we go. We do the void, and we just do it so that it spawns a new entity. Entity bones. Bones. And we have an entity, and we don't need to use a component. And this position should just be the skeleton's position. There we go. And then we do in the awake, we do get health component dot kill hook, and then we just set that to kill. Would that work? No. Use component error. And I would kind of mind. No, of course not. Use component errors here. Debug dot error e dot stack trace. Get e dot message. What is your error? No component exception. That is interesting. Because that's on the away. Oh. Easy clap. So now when I kill... Holy shit. So now we have a kill hook in the health component. That's actually great. I didn't think that would be that easy. I've never gotten that to work before. Yeah, so we've got a kill hook now. So when you kill the skeleton, it just booms. And that looks kinda ass. I'm just gonna fix that. Gonna add some more variety to the bones. Like that. Add some. Like that. It's getting kinda late, so I think I'm going to end the stream here for today. Actually, I might just check. Yeah, it's kind of late, so I think I'm going to say for today. It's been a 40-minute stream. We made some progress. Haven't got the kill hook working. Yeah, I'm just gonna kill this. See that it works. There we go. Drops the bones. Pretty good. And yeah, I'll see you guys on tomorrow's stream. It's gonna be Thursday. So yeah, thank you so much. Bye.